Hello everyone, it's Cleofe again and welcome to Crafting Shed. This is the tutorial of square number 14 in my motif square challenge. It's my compilation of square motif tutorials for myself, but I put them up in YouTube to share with everyone. This motif is to me the simplest square to crochet among the 18 squares. Round 1 is just foundation round, then round 2 is just this big loops, which gives it the open work flower design at the center, then transition into square with double crochets. Now let's get started. For the materials, I use size 4 medium weight yarn, size G 4mm crochet hook, scissors, and blunt needle. So let's start with a knot and begin round 1. Chain 2, 1, 2, and in the first chain, 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 single crochets in the first chain. Then join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet to end round 1. And this is round 1. Round 2, chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in the same stitch right here. Slip stitch. Then chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in the next stitch, like so. Repeat the pattern, chain 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch in the next stitch. And this is what it looks like. So repeat this pattern around. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back at the end of the round. So this is the end of round 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops. Round 3, slip stitch in the first 4 chains of the next loop. So slip stitch 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to start at the tip of the loop. Then insert in the same space, yarn over, pull through, and slip stitch like this. Then chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same space, 1, 2. This is what it looks like. Then in the next chain 10 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1 in the same space, 2 and 3. We are transitioning into a square and this is the first corner. Then in the next chain 10 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. This is what it looks like. Then repeat the pattern in the next chain 10 space, the second corner, 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, another 3 double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3. And this is our second corner. Then 3 double crochets in the next chain 10 space. 1, 2, 3. And repeat the pattern in the next chain 10 space. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, another 3 double crochets, 1 in the same space, 1, 2, 3. This will be the third corner. Then 3 double crochets in the next chain 10 space, 1, 2, 3. Then last repeat in the next chain 10 space, our fourth corner, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, another 3 double crochets in the same space, 1, 2, and 3. Then join with a slip stitch in the third chain of beginning chain 3. So this is how to end round 3, and this is what round 3 looks like. We now have a square. Round 4, chain 3, double crochet in the next 5 stitches, starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then in the next chain 3 space, 3 double crochets for the corner. 1, 2, 3. Then double crochet in the next 9 stitches, starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is what it looks like. Then repeat the pattern in the next chain 3 space, 3 double crochets for the second corner, 2 and 3. Then double crochet in the next 9 stitches for the second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is what it looks like. Repeat the pattern, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, and double crochet in the next 9 stitches again for the third side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is what it looks like. Last repeat, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. That's the last corner. Then end with double crochet in the last 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Then join with a slip stitch in the third chain of the beginning chain 3. So this is how to end round 4, and this is what round 4 looks like. Round 4 is the last round, so I'm going to pull the yarn to get a tail. Cut the yarn, thread the tail into the blunt needle, and sew in the same last stitch to get the invisible join. Then weave at the back stitches to hide the tail. Then for the center tail, I like to pull it to close off the center. Then sew in one direction, like this. Then one more in the opposite direction to secure the yarn, and cut the tails to clean up. And this is now what the piece looks like, all clean up and all done. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe.